welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, in today's video we'll discuss about the building plan of a G+1 residential building which is east facing and it has a ground floor built up area of 1534 square feet. So before that, I want to thank all my viewers for your response in one of our videos on basic principles of a residential building. We have got some awesome response from all of you guys, so thanks for all the love and support. We'll keep making more videos related to this topic. So moving on, let's go. It's our ground floor plan, as you can see here, and you can see this is a built up area of 1534.32 square feet. Now all of you must have observed that it is not an exact rectangular plot like it happens in most places. Along this side it's slightly slant. So we had a built up area of 1534 square feet, and now as you can see at the entrance we have given a portico. Now at this portico 2 four-wheelers can be parked and giving some space for the entrance. Now at the entrance we have the living room and we have a quarter ton staircase here. Then we have this toilet and we have the kitchen and dining. Now it is to be observed that it is a combined kitchen cum dining, and this is at the best position as per Vastu, which is the southeast position. So the kitchen is at the best position and combined with dining, and then we have a common toilet here, and here in the living area, which is quite spacious, as you can see it's quite spacious. It's 25 feet 10 inches into 12 feet and 6 inches. So it's quite spacious, and we can keep the TV set here. The TV set can be kept here, the sofa can be kept here, and then the front view will be amazing. And as it is a quarter ton staircase, we can keep some flower pots and do some decorations in this area. So this will give a very beautiful look, a picturesque look to the living room, and it is quite spacious as well. And then we have the bedroom here. Now this bedroom has dimensions of 11 feet 9 inch into 15 feet, so it's quite well ventilated through windows and also spacious. And then we have our master bedroom. Let's look at the dimension of the master bedroom. The master bedroom dimension is 16 feet into 15 feet. It has a toilet which is quite large size toilet, and it also has a dressing room in it. So we have a toilet and with a dressing room for the master bedroom, and total we have 2 bedrooms here, 1 kitchen cum dining and 1 spacious living room, and a portico in which 2 four-wheelers can be parked. So this is our plan of ground floor basically. So friends, how did you find this video? Please let us know in the comment section, and in the upcoming video we'll discuss about the first floor plan of this building. So thanks for watching, and keep subscribing our channel, keep sharing with your friends. Bye bye.